How we doing, everyone? I know Christmas is upon us, so Merry Christmas if you guys celebrate it. We're back in the garage. I'm gonna be emptying this box out. You guys will figure out, I like using cardboard to lay on top of the rubber mats I have now, but I got a little stash back there of cardboard that I cut, so I'll break this down into 2 large pieces, break that down into 2 large pieces, so I can just lay on top of it. So I'll throw all that away, put it in the trash can, and then I have a package I got from, it's nothing crazy, it's from CletusMcFarland.com. It's some spray wax, Sam's spray wax. So I'll open that here in a few. I'm gonna pick up the garage a little bit. My sister's supposed to be coming over. She wants me to change her oil in her car, her Camaro. So I did the oil change on my truck. I kind of regret not recording the whole thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a full recording on her car. You know, just regular oil change, how to do it on a 2018 Camaro V6. I've tried to call her, she's probably sleeping. She's a nurse, so she works 12-hour shifts. She didn't work today, but she has to work tomorrow, and luckily she has the rest of the week off, so we'll see if she shows up today. If not, I'll do a continuance to this video right now, and whenever I change her oil, I'll record it. But yeah, so I'll do a little time lapse of me breaking down the boxes, and then I'll be back with you guys shortly, okay? Alright, got everything broke down. I got some good pieces out of those boxes. I'm probably going to put this one into the Trailblazer because I got this little one underneath there right now. So I want to get most of that covered up just so I have somewhere to lay on when I'm underneath there. But now, let's get a little quick peek at this. I know it's a weird time to buy this, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use it eventually, so might as well get me some. Shout out to my man Sam. I'm excited. Can't wait to use this on this and that in my truck and this thing over here. So yeah. I'm gonna get a few more things cleaned up. I need to find somewhere to store these chairs so I can gain my couch back. That way if my fiance, my brother, my sister, anyone that comes over and hangs out with me in the garage, you know, they have somewhere to sit. So I'll probably do a little bit more cleanup. I need to get the oil stuff, this stuff put up, throw this away, which I'll put it with the filter. I need to drain my oil pan into my basin, so I'll do that. I'll get the videos going on this here soon. I'm just waiting on a couple more parts for it, and then I'll dive deep into this since it's already the end of December. That way I can have it hopefully running by springtime, you know. That's the plan. Fingers crossed, hopefully everything goes to plan. But with this thing right here, we'll see. Because as much as I can, you know, I said in the other videos that I'm not gonna touch it. I love this car too much. I love the Trailblazer too, don't get me wrong. But this was my first sports car I bought, so I want to make sure she's running right. And that was a little concerning to me, how it was stumbling. It was doing that before. So, like I said, I'm thinking it might need a retune, hopefully. Because I literally just threw the torque converter in there, the new transmission, plugged everything in and ran it like that. So I'm sure the computer needs definitely a reflash, a retune. Luckily the guy bought the Speed Engineering 3-inch true dual exhaust. He said he has a buddy of his that does tuning, so I might give him a shot, see how that goes. But we'll see. Probably, like I said, not until it gets a lot warmer out, because I'd like to get a really good street tune on this. Because like I've not ever, since I've owned it, my dad and my brother owned it, we've not ever touched the tune. We ran the car how we ran it, and that was it. I'm gonna go through the spark plugs, check those spark plug wires, make sure those are all okay. And like I said, I'm gonna do that alternator upgrade to it and just get a newer battery in it. It's got a Royal King battery my dad threw in there, so I want to get something that actually, you know, goes with the car. And I'm sure this battery works just fine, but I want to make sure I have everything right in this car. And then I think I mentioned about the ground straps. There's, I forget when I looked it up, there's a few on these cars. I know the one I saw, the only reason why I saw it is because it was right there by the alternator. It was really corroded. And I guess those kind of help with radio noise or something like that. So, I mean, if it's corroded, I might as well replace it. It's old. It's probably been with the car since day one. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So yeah, I'm going to get a few things cleaned up. Like I said, hopefully my sister calls me here soon and I can get the oil change going on her car. That way she's good for the week and at least for another 3,000 miles. And that way I can kind of get focused on this thing here. So yeah, see you guys in a few, hopefully. I love this new GoPro. She got me the 13, not the 9. Now I'm actually about to take yours and trade it in at this pawn shop because they have 12. But I got to get my monies up. Well, I got the like extended battery. I got 3 batteries and a charger with it. And it came with like a 64 gig SIM card, which I already had like a 500 something, so I didn't really need it. But she paid like $350, but we got a $50 gift card back, so it was like $300. And it's the newest one and all that jazz. So because I was just gonna go get that 12.
Does your TV come with a stand?
Girl, you got a lot of oil down here. What the fuck? Oh, Dad did say he had an oil leak. No, this is some oil.
I didn't know I had a leak.
Yeah, you do. You have to ask Dad about it. I should check your level to see where you're at, but it'd be alright. Whose? Really? I thought I put that right. No, it's right. Now, what size was the one that he had?
It had to have been other TV. It was really small.
It's smaller than the one that I gave him, mine?
You must have given him the one that he has at Mom and Dad's.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. My Samsung's in his room at Mom and Dad's. It's is his TV in his room at your house?
More than that. The one that he has at my house is literally 32 inch.
Good, yeah, because the one at Mom and Dad's, that one's a 42, the Samsung.
Yeah, it was tiny though when he had.
Ooh, this thing hot. Ooh, there we go.
He's had that TV forever though.
Oh, that thing's old. I might have to get some brake clean and spray underneath this thing. I'd like to know when you broke all this plastic underneath here.
Where?
Underneath your car, the plastic guard that covers the whole front bottom of your car.
I don't know.
What color is this shit? Ooh, girl, this shit black. It's black.
That was a small one.
Yeah, it's burning oil.
Well, you would just change it before we went to.
Renee, you've taken trips.
That's what I'm saying. Before we went to Charles' sister's graduation.
Yeah, and you drove this car down there.
No, I didn't.
Oh, wait, no. When did you take the car down there?
We didn't. I'm just saying. You changed it before that.
Yeah.
We rented a car.
How many miles was on the thing, on the trip? On your car right now? Yeah, don't do it now. The oil's out of this thing. Let's see if I can get this thing off without. No, this thing is hot. Ooh. Ooh, child. What was y'all doing when I called? Yeah, let that fall in there. Ooh. Did that lower Zamar's TV?
It's just on a stand. You just move it on a stand.
Oh, good. Oh. Ooh.
Because they were supposed to have the discount. And he's like, well, I don't have the filter for that. He was slow as hell.
You went to the south side, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you look like?
Like 60, normal, with the glasses. He had like grayer hair.
I don't know.
He was slow. They've never been like that. And then he was like, it's gonna be more than $37.99. No shit, Sherlock.
Why?
Because they didn't have the.
They should have gave you
Thank
the.
you.
They should have did the price
I
adjustment.
wasn't gonna argue with him.
Because guess what? I went to go buy an extended light filter. They didn't have it. They still gave this to me for free. When I went back and got something else.
Yeah, that's the one that was supposed to come with the deal. The one that you had in your hand.
That's.
But they were out of them. I'm like, okay.
Next time I'll go, because they tried. They tried it. They got you this time. They ain't gonna get you next time. I'm not gonna let it happen.
That's what I was thinking. It's not my fault you don't have them.
Oh no.
Yeah, it really doesn't make sense because he was saying it's not $37.99. I almost said, well, it's supposed to be $32.99 because that's what's on your window outside.
Nah, I got you next time. I'll go in there. Because nah.
I knew Charles would have been embarrassed.
That's not how that goes. And it's not like you gotta yell at them. You just gotta.
Wasn't, but I'm just saying.
No. I'm just saying whenever I go in there, like there ain't no. There's no argument, sir. Honor the price. Honor the deal. I'd have been like, go look for another case. Or sell me 5 quarts of the smaller stuff at that price.
No, it was the filter.
Oh, the filter?
Mm-hmm. It didn't have the filter.
Nah, see, man. Bump all that. Man, where I put my rag at? This thing is dribbling. I think I normally put all 5 in there, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
There it go. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop it. Just gonna put it in. That's it. Just a little bump. A little bumpity bump. Yeah, I don't know where. Dad said he knows where it's at, so we gotta find. Yeah, it's up top. He said it's on top of your engine somewhere. I said, oh, okay. Yeah, you lucky I'd be using that full synthetic, girl. On this side. You going back home after this, or you going to mom and dad's?
Home. Them are still at home.
Mom and dad said they got food, so I'm about to go.
Yeah, they have a bunch. Apparently, Dad didn't put some of the stuff out. I'm like, really?
Oh, for real?
Yes.
I need to get me one. Oh, actually, I got 2 of them. I'm gonna remember the stuffing tray, the aluminum tray you gave me.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to go take that out. I just did Molly's oil. That her Subaru Renee only has 44,000 miles.
What?
It's brand new. It was her granddad's or grandparents. Well, they passed.
Oh.
So she inherited that.
44,000.
Mm-hmm. She got it at 40.
You wasn't going nowhere.
How's your? I'll check it for you. You hear them people?
Mm-hmm.
Renee, it's wet out there and people.
Stupid. K Poncho.
That's either Yoshi or I think Bowser's the other one. And Yoshi, Bowser, and Peaches. Yeah, he's Mario. He's Mario fans. What do you got to study, Charles? Procedures?
Nah, it's I take my licensing exam next month.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah.
So it's like everything that I learned.
It's dude. How many years is that?
Like shoot, 4.
4 years of everything condensed down into a test. And what is it, like 2-hour test?
It's 8 hours.
Y'all get breaks?
Yeah, we get like 30.
And take the breaks.
Nah, I mean if it's clicking,
Yeah.
that's the thing. If things are clicking, you're like, man, I feel like stopping.
Yeah, that's how I am. Just like when I'm on a run, when I catch my
I know
wave.
what your brain is like.
Well, looky who it is.
Well,
Linda.
What's up, Bubby?
Nothing, I was just going to tell you that I wasn't coming over right away because Renee needed her oil changed, so she's over here now finally getting it changed.
Oh, okay, that's fine, yeah. I just wanted to make sure you need it. They don't open till 5, I guess.
Yeah, and I'm coming to eat too.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, once I'm done changing her oil, I'm going to come eat. I might not go bowling though because I gotta edit
You
some.
do whatever you want.
Yeah, I gotta edit some videos. I gotta work on Renz's video, and then I got mine I have to work on.
Oh, okay. All right, love you.
All right, love you, bye.
Bye.
She did what you do to me. She texted me, and then I called back right away, and then no answer. I said, oh, okay. You think you cute?
no, your phone's right in your hand.
No, you answer now. You better at it. You got a lot better at it, but I'm like, mm-mm. Careful with that Earl. With that Earl. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where them keys at?
Love you too, bye.
I can reset everything. You good? No, she did not. Renee. 5,200 miles.
There's no way.
Yes, the trip don't lie. I reset it every time. I do both trips too. Oh, that's oil pressure. There it is.
This is taking forever for me.
All right, so it's been a few days because I called my sister either Monday or Tuesday of this week. It's Christmas week, so today's Friday. Yesterday was Christmas, so that would have been Thursday, Wednesday, Christmas Eve. So I called her like Monday or Tuesday. She finally got to make it out to the garage today. Got the oil changed. It was bad. She went over a little bit, but it's all right. You know, she's busy. I think I said before, she's a nurse, or maybe I didn't. I don't know. So she's got a hectic, crazy schedule. So yeah, we got her oil change for her. I forgot to top off her windshield washer fluid because I got plenty here. So I'll get her next time she's over, which is all right. But got that knocked out. So you'll see the video of me helping my brother do his girlfriend's car. So that video is going to come out first, and then I'll bring this video out. But yeah, hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. I know I did. It was a great time, good time with family. Hopefully you guys got to see some loved ones you hadn't seen in a while. Hopefully you got to eat plenty of delicious food. Like right now I'm about to go over to my parents and eat some more leftovers. I don't need it, but it's too good to miss up, or miss out on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, okay? So peace out, guys.